has temporarily blocked the Trump administration from detaining British anti-disinformation campaigner Imran Ahmed after he sued US officials over an entry ban and the threat of deportation. Ahmed, a legal permanent resident living in New York, says he feared imminent removal that would separate him from his wife and child, who are also both US citizens. This week, Washington imposed visa bans on Ahmed and 4 Europeans, including former French EU Commissioner Thierry Breton, accusing them of censoring free speech and unfairly targeting American tech giants. US officials say their presence could have serious foreign policy consequences, a claim that has sparked an outcry from European governments who argue that such regulation makes the internet safer. US District Judge Vernon Broderick issued a temporary restraining order preventing authorities from arresting or detaining Ahmed until his case is heard and set a court conference for December the 29th. Ahmed named Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Homeland Security Advisor Kristi Noem in his lawsuit, saying his rights to free speech and due process are being violated. Okay, joining us now is Major General Rajan Kochar. He is an international relations and defense expert. He joins us live from New Delhi. What are your thoughts on this story? Of course, Donald Trump and his ongoing deportation plan. This judge has granted an injunction from blocking the United States from detaining a British anti-disinformation activist. Your thoughts on how the Trump administration has acted here, and does this set a precedent further down the line?
Good morning, Thomas. I think it's a very interesting discussion right in the morning because it also concerns the freedom of expression, and it also impacts all the researchers and all those people who are into research or who are into article writing. So I think as far as Trump is concerned, whether he's justified or not, it fits into the broader Trump revival of hardline tech nationalism. And I would qualify by saying that all tech policies, visas, sanctions, and national security are being increasingly merged, because that is what Trump administration has been aiming at. And disinformation is treated as a quasi-hostile activity as far as the Trump administration is concerned, and especially when it is conducted by the civil society actors. So this case actually highlights two things. One is executive power in immigration and sanctions policy. Second is judicial oversight, protecting the due process and civil liberties and for the people who are immigrants also. So I think it's a precedent also for tech activists also. They need to be careful because it creates a chilling effect also in case they start engaging on global tech policies, engagement with the United States. Secondly, he is a British citizen, or he is a British national. This also has inherent risks because British or Great Britain is a close Five Eye intelligence cooperation ally of the Americans. So some kind of diplomatic fallout also one may see that. Secondly, a larger issue, weaponization of disinformation. So this case actually underscores.
Dr. Kochar, I'm just going to rephrase something. Do you think sanctioning these activists and also tech campaigners undermine the democratic values that the United States continues to claim to defend?
Definitely, because see, it directly impinges upon your expression of a particular point of view, And if your expression of that point of view is not in sync with the thinking of the administration, that doesn't mean that your voice can be muffed. So I think a very good question you have posed here is because we must look at the larger issue of freedom of the press, of freedom of expression, and civil liberty. So all these things are complementary with each other, and when Washington tries to project the image, outside the world that it uh, is a policeman for all these activities. If other countries indulge in these kind of activities, Washington is the first one to draw a criticism. So they also have to look in-house to their own functioning, and I think this does not augur well for a vibrant democracy, one of the oldest democracies as far as the USA is concerned.
Yes, Dr. Kochar, stay with us as we have further updates for our viewers. But this